To summarize what is a startup in one line, it is real-world problem solving through interdisciplinary intervention. And if you look at the keywords that are present there, and you look at the keywords that are present at NEP 2020 or the CIC model, you will realize that most of the keywords actually match. And the way CIC helped us achieve really good success stories in the startup world, in actually any phase of life, is through these specific keywords. For example, projects were a major part of the credits that we scored in every semester from the very first semester itself. But the problem with just doing projects is there's no real world intervention unless you have some outside push. So every year from the first year itself, we were supposed to do internships. We were supposed to look for internships. And one secret that I would like to tell you about CIC is that we do not have a placement cell. That may come as a surprise to most of the university professors and VCs here, that CIC does not have a placement cell, and that is by design. Because if अगर आप स्विमिंग करने जाते हो और आपको ट्रेनर सिखाता रहे स्विमिंग करना सिखाता रहे, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू विल नेवर लर्न स्विमिंग. बट जब आपको एक बार वो धक्का देता है, आप खुद से गिर जाते हो, एक बार गोता खाते हो, लिटरली पानी आपके मुंह के अंदर चला जाता है. दैट्स व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि हे, आई वोंट डाई, आई कैन स्विम. एंड by giving access to placement cell, what most universities I think do is they curb this ability of students to explore on their own what they can do and can't do. They are dependent on the college कि हाँ यार थर्ड ईयर फोर्थ ईयर में पहुंचेंगे, कॉलेज निकलवा देगा, 4 लाख की तो मिल ही जाएगी प्लेसमेंट. बट एट CIC फर्स्ट ईयर से आपको इस तरह से कॉन्फिडेंटली ट्रेन करते हैं कि यार आप प्रोजेक्ट्स करो, थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा, इंटर्नशिप करो, रियल वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा, एंड बाय द टाइम यू रीच फोर्थ ईयर और फाइनल ईयर, यू विल ऑलरेडी बी कॉन्फिडेंट एनफ, यू विल ऑलरेडी बी स्किल्ड एनफ, यू विल ऑलरेडी हैव एनफ नेटवर्क कि यू कैन गो टू एनी कंपनी एंड से कि हे, I deserve this and I'll get it. It doesn't matter I'm not from IT. It doesn't matter you have not heard the name of my college. I won't give up, and I have the right skills, the right experiences to get there. And to just end this, a little more about myself. So 2019 I passed out from CIC's BTech batch, and मेरे parents support करते थे हर level पे, but at the end of the day parents को भी अभी उतना नहीं idea है कि यार startup क्या होता है. He was like यार government job कर ले, BTech की हुई है, अच्छे Microsoft Google में चले जाओ. But एक philosophy जो CIC में सिखाई गई है यार कि if you believe in your vision, if you take ownership of the things you are doing, you need to have a I won't give up mentality. So at the peak of COVID, January of 2021, I launched a new social startup, Beyond Exams, and I secured over 1 crore worth of funding at the peak of COVID, जब पूरा market down था, पूरी economy down थी. And the entire philosophy behind Beyond Exams, the name itself suggests beyond exams जितना कुछ भी सीखना होता है. The entire philosophy is based on what CIC taught me and what NEP means for the education system. So to you all also, I would have the same suggestion कि हाँ यार गवर्नमेंट ने implementation की details नहीं दी हैं, but have the mentality that we won't give up and we will figure out. Maybe not this year, maybe next year, but if we don't give up, we will figure it out on our own together. Thank you.